Hello everyone, this is Sascha Haseloff here from the Icono Academy in Berlin, and I'm happy to have my wonderful model Paula with me today. And on her I want to show you a very nice long hair styling. It's a styling, it's more for straight hair with a little bit of movement. Because her hair is a little bit dry in the lengths and tips, I'm starting to work with the Rich Repair 6 Effect Serum from Dualsenses, and that gives the hair a little bit more smoothness, makes the hair a little bit softer and repairs the lengths and tips. Now I want to start with blow drying the hair, and to get a perfect and natural hold to wrist shine, I will use from Ultra Volume StyleSign the Glamour whip. Now I start to blow dry the hair in 2 steps. First of all, I will do a rough drying, and therefore I'm using the flat brush or the paddle brush from Varis. And as a second step, I want to use the round brush, also from Varis, to create a nice and shiny surface of the hair and to bring in a little bit more of that movement. As my finished product, I'm using Diamond Gloss from Just Smooth, and that's a Protect Shine Spray. So that means it gives me a lot of softness, a smooth feeling of the styling, and at the end I have a very nice shine. Now I'm done with the styling for Paula, and I think it's a very nice and quick technique for long hair styling. I'm really happy about the results. I hope you like it too, and looking forward to see you in the next video.